Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been playing Monopoly Go lately, you might have noticed some major changes with the airplane mode glitch, or APM as we call it. I've been flooded with questions and comments about what's going on, so today we are diving deep into the issue to figure out why APM isn't working like it used to and what you can do about it. So let's get started. So here's the scoop. Over the past week, many of you have been telling me that your airplane mode trick isn't giving you the results as it used to give it to you, where we once got 10 to 15 numbers per reset. Now it seems like we are lucky to get even one or two before having to reset the game. It's not just inconvenient, it's a major waste of high roller time and real time too. I've been trying to troubleshoot this issue myself. Sometimes I get a good run with 10 or 11 numbers, but it usually took 10 or more resets to get there. I even tried using a VPN thinking it might help by connecting to a different server. Unfortunately, my results were hit or miss. It could be that the free VPN I used wasn't the best option, or I might have chosen the wrong server location. Now let's talk about what might be causing these issues. One theory is that Monopoly Go's servers are now asking for data more frequently than before. It's possible that the servers are connecting to your device every second now, which might be why we are seeing the no internet pop up so quickly. Another possibility is that there's been a change in server protocols or the introduction of the new updates. Additionally, there's been speculations about the flagged accounts. Some believe that if your account hits certain thresholds like 150,000 dice or 30,000 XP, it might be flagged, causing the game to trigger the no internet message more aggressively. If this is true, it means that some players might still be able to use APM without issues while others face restrictions. Despite the challenges, APM is still viable. It might take more effort and patience, but you can still get results. So keep trying and be patient. Even if you are only getting one or two numbers per reset, don't get discouraged. Stay the course and you might still hit the jackpot. So that's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Monopoly Go related content. If you have any tips or experiences with APM, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.